up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel and my beautiful kitchen. My name is NAGORN, and today's episode I will be making one of the most popular Thai food, and some people would say it is the #1 menu in the world, which is Massaman Curry Chicken. And I'm gonna make it in a simple way so that you can follow my instructions. I don't want you to spend 2 hours to prepare Massaman Curry paste. I want you to spend that 2 hours to be in the gym or watch the movie you like so that you can eat food and still in a good shape like me. Normally I will make the sauce from scratch, but right now I'm in New York City. It's so difficult to find Thai ingredients or Thai herbs. Anyway, I will be using the pre-made sauce that I bought from Asian market here, which is the product from Thailand. I guarantee that if you use this sauce, your food will taste in the restaurant or taste like the food in Thailand. It's gonna be very authentic. But before we get started, please make sure that you give me a thumb up and subscribe if you like this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave the comment below. Let's enjoy the video. And today's ingredients, I'm gonna use carrot, potato, onion, pre-made Massaman curry paste, peanuts, chicken and coconut milk. Okay, first I'm gonna put 600 milliliters of coconut milk, which is cup. Okay. And then pre-made Massaman curry paste for 200 grams. You have to use the medium heat to make the sauce, and you mix it together. It is starting to smell so good. Okay. And while I'm waiting for the sauce, I'm gonna roast the peanuts. Okay. Then I'm gonna heat it up and put chicken in it. And make sure that the chicken is in the sauce. See? And then I will add more coconut milk for 400 milliliters. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here to make it tender. And at the same time, you will get the roasted peanut that you will put it later. I'll leave it here. Okay, then I'm gonna cut the carrot into a square. Okay, this should be enough. Then I'm gonna cut the potato into like cubic. This is not the high quality one, but anyway, from the Asian market you have to be very careful when you buy anything. You have to see the expired dates and make sure that it's not rotten. Okay, this should be enough. Put it in. Then I'm gonna prepare the potato to fry it, to put it on the top of the Massaman curry that we are making right now. I'm gonna use this machine. Okay, another one. Okay, this should be enough. If you don't have this machine, you can use knife to slice it. Okay, this is what I got, and I'm gonna fry it later. And now I will cut onion. Like this. And another 1/3 to put it later. And now I'm gonna try it. It has been 25 minutes already. It tastes a little sweet and salty. At first, before I added more coconut milk, it's gonna be salty. But after I put chicken and potato and carrot, it tastes a little sweet. And okay, now I'm gonna fry the potato to put on the top. Use the phone. And I'm gonna wait for another 10 minutes for the chicken to be tender. But before that, I will put the roasted peanut that we roasted before. Okay. This smells so good. I like doing many things at the same time, like in terms of cooking. It is so good. And also I will put onion the last, because I don't want onion to be overcooked, like to be mushy. Onion, and also you don't have to put sugar in it, because you would get the sweet from the potato and the onion. Like if you have diabetes or you are on diet, you should stop eating onion. Okay, and wait for another 10 minutes. Here is the fried potato that we can put on the top of the curry. I think this should be enough. I will leave it here to absorb the oil again. I feel like the fried potato itself is already good, but I mean it's gonna be better with my Massaman Curry Chicken. Alright, it has been 45 minutes already. I'm gonna see if the chicken is tender or not. Okay, it is. Okay, yeah, we finished, and I'm gonna put it here in my lovely bowl. Okay, put the chicken first. You can see the peanut here. Okay, put the chicken first, and you can see the peanut here, potato and carrot. Ta-da! Here is the Massaman Curry Chicken that we spent a lot of time in it, but it's not finished yet. Last thing is I'm gonna add fried potato on top of it. Okay, here. No. Okay, this one. Okay, here we are. Yes, it's finished.